Hi guys! Today, let's practice some vocabulary from Ikebana, the Japanese flower arrangement. The first word is this, shin. Repeat after me, shin. Shin. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Soe. Soe. Repeat after me, soe. Very good. Tai. Tai. Repeat after me, tai. Very good. Hongatte. Hongatte. Repeat after me, hongatte. Hongatte. Excellent. Next one. Gyaku gatte. Gyaku gatte. Gyaku gatte. Let's say a little bit smoother. Gyaku gatte. Gyaku gatte. Very nice. Shimoza. Shimoza. Repeat after me. Shimoza. Very good. Kamiza. Kamiza. Repeat after me. Kamiza. Very nice. Shussho. Shussho. Repeat after me. Shussho. Ashirai. Ashirai. Repeat after me. Ashirai. In Japanese, this is called romaji. You see this R. Whenever you see R, let's pronounce like a L. So instead of saying ashirai, let's pretend this is L. Ashirai. Ashirai. Very good. Mae. Mae. Repeat after me. Mae. Very good. Ushiro. Ushiro. Once again, you see all here, but let's pretend this is L. Alright, let's say one more time. Ushiro. Ushiro. Very nice. Isshuike. Isshuike. Let's say it slowly. Isshuike. Alright, let's combine those two parts together. Isshuike. Isshuike. Very nice. Let's say this word very slowly. We're gonna divide this word into 3 pieces. Nishuike. One more time. Nishuike. Let's combine those 3 together. Nishuike. Hi. Let's say one more time. Repeat after me. Nishuike. Very nice. Next one. Sanshuike. Sanshuike. Let's combine those 3 pieces together. Sanshuike. Sanshuike. Very nice. Futakabuike. Futakabuike. Alright, repeat after me. Let's combine those three together. Futakabuike. Futakabuike. Futa means number 2, and kabu is like a clump, and ike is like an arrangement. Let's say one more time. Futakabuike. Very nice. Gyodoike. Let me say this one slowly. Gyodoike. Gyodoike. Alright, let's make it a little smoother. Gyodoike. Repeat after me. Gyodoike. Very nice. Gyo means like a fish. Do means path. Right? Nejime. Nejime. This ne means root. Repeat after me one more time. Nejime. Excellent. Mizumono. Mizumono. So mizu means water. Mono means like a stuff or item or object. In this case, material. Repeat after me one more time. Mizumono. Excellent. Okamono. Okamono. So oka means land, and mono means stuff, items, or object. But in this case, plant material. Please repeat after me one more time. Okamono. Excellent. Let me say this word slowly. I'm going to divide this into 3 pieces. Sui, riku, ike. So do you see R one more time? So pretend this is like a L. If you pronounce that way, you sound like a Japanese native speakers. Sui, riku, ike. Sui means water. Riku means land. And ike is arrangement. Let me say this word a little bit smoother. So repeat after me. Sui, riku, ike. Sui, riku, ike. Very nice. Okabu. Okabu. This O means male. Repeat after me one more time. Okabu. Excellent. Mekabu. Mekabu. This me means female. Tatehana. Tatehana. Repeat after me. Tatehana. Excellent. This is a general word. Repeat after me. Furoshiki. And one more time. If you see all, let's pretend this is L. Repeat after me. Furoshiki. Furoshiki. Excellent. Tokonoma. Tokonoma. Repeat after me. Tokonoma. Excellent. This is the last one. Hasami. Hasami. Repeat after me one more time. hasami. Good job! I hope this video was useful for your Ikebana practice. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. さよなら。またね。